Let's say at the circular flow of national income. The circular flow of income refers to the process whereby an economy's money receipts and payments flow in a circular manner continuously through time. The circular flow of goods and money in a two-sector model is explained below. There are two sectors, households and firms. Firms refer to the economic units which carry out production of goods and services. These are earned entrepreneurs who hire labor, employs service of capital, land and undertakes the task of production. While household includes individuals or families to undertake consumption. It divides the diagram into two parts. The upper half represents the factor market and the lower half represents the commodity market. Following diagram explains circular flow of income and expenditure in a two-sector model. In the above figure, the factors of production flow from households to the firms. The firms use these factors to produce goods and services required by the households. Thus, goods flow from the households to the firms and from the firms back to the household. It is called product flows. In the same way, money flows from the firms to the household in the form of factor payments such as rent, wages, interest and profit. Households use this income to purchase goods and services. Thus, money flows from the firms to the household and from the households back to the firms. It is called money flows. In the circular flow of income, production generates factor income, which is converted into expenditure. This flow of income continues as production is a continuous activity due to never-ending human wants. It makes the flow of income circular.